in warm-up mode. Woo! One thing you would think you wouldn't need on these is heated seat, and it makes a big difference when it's cold like this. This thing's warming up. Let's see how much air we got in the tire. Oh, more than I expected. I thought it'd be on the rim. Man, it's mighty questionable. The dozer won't fire up. The batteries are dead or something for some reason. That's odd. You'd think as new as that thing was, wouldn't have dead batteries. This actually might be a bust. As wet as it is, I don't know, I'm gonna go over here and dig a little test spot. I think it's too wet. To dig out than what was back there. I don't know if it's already been excavated or whatever, but man, it was not wanting to come out as easy as this stuff is. It's a lot cleaner to do it with this, especially if you're trying to keep that edge nice and straight and hold the gravel in. Getting it scraped out here. It's not hateful, but the big question is, will it hold the truck up? So we'll just have to see that. If not, I might just have to dump loads and then spread it with a skid load. The old loader here, but I don't like doing it that way. It don't go near as far. We'll just have to see when Hammer gets back, and might be a bust, might be able to do it, who knows. I think in these 2 days, definitely if I had my dozer, we could knock this out. I still don't know why that batteries are dead on the dozer. That thing's brand new. And what I hate about the main switch, you turn it off and then it's like 5 minutes where you can't turn the main switch off because it's sucking all the def back in the system, or out of the system. So you can't never, I don't want to raid around when, you know, when you're ready to go and that thing's already cooled down. You don't want to wait another 5 minutes for that thing to suck out. Heck, it might even be more than that. But that's what we're doing. Kind of just getting this cleaned out. Like I said, a true thing to tell is when the truck gets here if it supports it or not. Hammer's here. We're gonna have him cut it here and build a little ramp. Get her pulled back. This stuff's definitely a lot more wet than it was when we were spreading it the other day. This round I'm just doing 53s. Then I'm gonna just go ahead and keep it at our 6 inches. That way I don't have to come back and top coat that road base. Keep us from having to do a little extra work. Straighten it up a little. It's supporting it. That's what I was worried about. Gotta watch those wires up there. Just go slow, let it idle. There you go. A little faster. Perfect. Just doing the one coat, baby. That's good. Stop. Look how dry this is here. Cutting it out is definitely way quicker with the dozer. I have the time. I think I can get more precise with the skid loader. I can keep it more at my 6 inches, which makes it nice because then it just feels perfect to the top of the dirt. And then my cousin's putting 2.5 inches of blacktop, then they're going to taper it with dirt. So I think I'm just going to end up cutting the rest out with a skid loader. The dozer was just kind of definitely taking more material out than I was wanting to. Dirt bangers were getting it laid in there. Heck, I set the camera over there and forgot about you. Family members. This is load number 3. I got the dozer jump started. I don't know if I told you, but I don't remember. Batteries were dead on that, so the guy that's hauling a little bit, he had a 24-volt jump box. So jumped it, got her going again. And go ahead and do a little grading action here. Get it looking like something. So I don't know if I told you what I'm doing this time. I'm just digging it out and doing my 6 inches all in one pass. So we're not getting our length. So we're basically probably getting 50 foot if we do 6 inches. Normally I figure 100-foot pole if I'm doing like 4 inches or whatever. So we're just dropping it thick. That way we do one pass. That way the last one I did road base at the bottom, then top coat it with the 53s. But the way the weather is, I'm just doing one pole, getting sections done, and we're done. So if we can make it around there and down to there by tomorrow, we'll be done. And it rains here Thursday. And then over there, we just got to do, that's kind of off the blacktop. So making the mad hustle, just trying to get that done before Mother Nature comes and kicks us in the crotch. The old loader wasn't wanting to cut around that corner very good. So we got it. I'm gonna get the spray paint and tape, measure 4 foot off the fence. It's laying in there real nice. After using this brown here, I'm kind of liking the brown a little bit better than the white. Seems like this has got more fines in it right now. The white's more jagged for sure. This is kind of a more round, but this stuff's packing real good. It's got a lot of little crispies in it. I tell you, this morning I was ready to pack it up and head home and just call this job done for the year. Like I said, we got a bunch of rain coming Thursday, and it's definitely gonna be done after that. I was about ready to pack it in with the dozer. Battery's dead and it's just kind of cold, whatever. I'm glad I pushed through. It was slick and slimy up there. Glad I pushed through, and we'll be able to knock this out tomorrow for sure. This is 4 loads. You figure if we can get another 5 tomorrow, we'll tie that in pretty much. This should be all done, and at least if I got this gravel base in, worst case scenario, if it froze, I could come over and, you know, dump a couple loads and top it off. We're in good shape. Down over here, I got to bring the mini. I got to cut through a hill. Hey, look how good that radius looks. When people walk up, be brapping around the corner, brap, 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 clutching it. More of the same, digging, piling, stacking, spreading. Hey, as long as we're together as a family, that's all that matters, right? It's the company you're with, all these like-minded people, all my subscribers. Original dirt fam, dirt bangers. Wow, it's been exciting since we last left you, family members. Well, I think I don't have a truck driver anymore. Hammer turned sharp and ran that over, and I was yelling at him to stop. He gets out and he said, "What are you yelling at?" I said, "You hit the fence." And he said, "When you drive this," few choice words, and he walked home. He's gone. So the truck's sitting there, my truck's there. So I guess tomorrow morning I'm going to have to get up super early. Just start banging loads, and maybe I can get Idaho to come help me with that. I don't know. I wasn't yelling at him, I was just yelling that don't hit the fence. Don't hit the fence. I get it. It's late today, you're wore out, tired, driving that truck sucks. Rain's coming Thursday. My skid loader wasn't out of fuel. It's been flashing all day, and I didn't have to go meet another guy to look at a job. I'd work till dark tonight, get all that dug out. Ready, and I can just bang it out tomorrow. And if the weather wasn't coming Thursday. Hey, you guys let me know. Do you work with family? Do you have fights and arguments? Anytime you do, it's that way. Turning out good though. Well, that's it for today. I better grab my phone, get home and forget that. That wouldn't be good. That's it for today. Like always, keep doing what you do.